Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add TripAdvisor for your site in Duda. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company, and one of the widgets they make is TripAdvisor. Sign up for free with email or passwords or with Gmail, Facebook, and then just click login. When you will be here, you want to write trip, and you got TripAdvisor right here. Now you have option going like reviews, carousel, slider, grid. With the reviews widget, you're gonna see this one here, and what you want to do is just continue with the template or choose different one. Paste the URL here. Okay, nice. You can also change the layout, the review, the style, the colors, and then just click save. When you will have it, you need to change the single application. You need to choose a plan. You can go with a light version that's like 200 views per month, or basic or pro version, $5 a month or $10 a month. You really choose which one you like. It's really up to you. So when you have it, let's copy the code. Let's click on widget, HTML, and let's just add a code here. Now, what you want to do is just click on design, spacing, and put it to the middle. Voila, here you got it. Perfect. And this is how you can add the TripAdvisor. It's quite simple. If you have questions, ask me down below in the comments. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.